Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Plays. Today is tutorial. How to throw monkey out of the cage. First grab him, then throw him. One of 3 ways done.
My shadow's doing circles around you, champ.
2 minutes later. Later. Grab him. Wrong way. Let go. 2, 3 done. Let single quotes s go.
Too slow, monkey. These bars aren't made for you.
This enclosure could use a makeover and a resident.
Grab him for NR3. Span MMM.
Just arrived. Please cue the annotation.
I give up.
I pounce. Let me test the bar.